Hello friends, welcome back to Animesh Verma Delivery Excellence channel. My dear friends, I took some pause since my last video because I just wanted to have some learning from my end also, because to keep yourself updated definitely you need to have some learnings, right? So very basic points, because in all my videos whatever I have provided to you all, it talks about the basics. Basics are very important in terms of any delivery or any aspects, right? So today the most important thing is we are loaded and sometimes we are overloaded with a lot of ideas, and try to have some simple delivery format into little bit of complex form, right? In today's world where we are having a very fast phase of delivery, you don't have any ifs and buts should be there. It's just like a 2020 match, right? One over or a one wicket can change the entire momentum of the game. And our delivery is really going through that same phase. So coming to the point is, delivery excellence is important because we have to be very sure that what has to be delivered to the client is having exact or nearly as per the standard of the CMM level I5 or the Six Sigma or ISO 42001, in which I have discussed in few of my videos, as well as in some of my posts also. So today I just wanted to discuss with you all on few very important factors of delivery excellence, more into an advanced version, where the most important thing is the overall productivity increased of the entire team where we work, right? So keep watching, I'll be giving you the entire overview. Please comment in the comment box and let us have some interactive sessions. I'll try to have some live sessions with you all. Try enjoying it out, and really, if you need any more help from me, I'll be very happy to help you out. First of all, happy Holi to all of you. Now, just enjoy this video, and if you like it, please press the like button. Thank you.